Because the current education system is read, read, read. It's not do, do, do. It's read, read, read. And that's why most people who come out of school can't do shit. That's why college and university is a complete waste of time. I did not go to university. The most successful people I know did not go to university. I do not have 4 years to dedicate to sitting there reading books of outdated knowledge when all the latest information in the world's on my internet Google browser for free anyway, and listen to some dork who's never made any money in his life tell me how to live my life. It's complete garbage. If you meet anyone who's successful near any field, most of them didn't go university. Now I understand there's some professions where you need to go university to become a doctor, blah, blah, blah. I understand that. My point is, in general, is that the whole education system is not based on doing things, it's based on reading things. And this is why, if you want information on how to get something done, you need to speak to somebody who can do stuff. So if I'm going to learn piano, I want to learn piano from somebody who plays piano, not somebody who's read how to play piano.
Most of you men aren't even living your life. You're barely existing and then you die, following the footsteps of your parents and everyone around you. I'm trying to show you the alternative path. You have a chance. And when I say this is absolutely true. When I say most men aren't even living life, like to most of you guys watching this, the idea of driving a Lamborghini, the idea of owning one is insane. How many cars do we have now? 36?
I think 33 actually.
It's nothing. A Lamborghini is nothing. A private jet is nothing. You know what? When I first started flying on private jets, I remember the first time I flew in a jet, it was a big deal. Now I don't even take pictures. I don't even take videos. It's just flying.
It's just travel.
It's just travel.
It's
3
great.
times a week. How can I be bored of something that you've never even tried? Doesn't that instill you to want to try harder with your life? Are you really so far below me? Did God really create you as such an inferior specimen that I'm going to go through life doing things that I'm completely and utterly bored of via repetition that you never once get to experience ever? If that does not inspire you to try harder, then there's something wrong.